When I think of robots and humans mixing, I think of cyborgs. But here in Havre, Montana, at the Northern Montana Family Medical Center, they're doing some really cool stuff.
The reason to consider a knee replacement usually is when the arthritis is the point where they are not able to walk or do the things they enjoy. Here in Montana, a lot of guys come in, they can't hunt or fish. Is the knee bad enough for surgery? Does it, a lot of times we do conservative treatment and injections and bracing and therapy and things. But when all else fails and conservative measures don't work and the knee's worn out, then knee replacement is what we do.
While knee replacements aren't anything new, the cutting-edge robotics aspect is changing how the procedure is done.
Incorporating robotic assisted knee replacements is really, I think, going to be the gold standard moving forward. The robot is more accurate, it's very precise, it's very custom to the patient.
As it turns out, the cool part isn't even the surgical robot. There's much more to it.
There's actually three things we're doing here in Northern Montana Hospital, and they all kind of go together. One is the incorporation of the ROSA robot, which allows us to do that custom knee replacement. All of the data on when we do a robot knee is all uploaded onto MyMobility, and the MyMobility app is something the patients have. Incorporated in that, also in the MyMobility app, is the third piece of technology, which is what's in this model is, in the addition to a knee replacement, we're adding a computer chip with a gyrometer, and it measures the range of motion, the gait, the cadence, the speed with which you walk.
Even if you go on vacation, your physician can check the data in the future to help your recovery.
So if they're gone for a month and go to Greece on a European vacation, they can come home and I can still see how far they walked and what they did. One of the things I can monitor is early detecting when someone is falling behind. So if they're not getting the range of motion or meeting metrics they should, we can reach out to the patient and go, hey, we're noticing you're not walking as fast.
The new surgical procedures aren't just limited to knees either.
We're very excited about the robot, and we're doing a lot of knees, but we also do total shoulder replacements here. We do reverse total shoulder replacements here, hip replacement surgery. My suspicion is with time, as that becomes more mainstream and as these studies are done showing the effectiveness of using robotics and smart implants, that will become mainstream here very soon.
In Havre, I'm James Rowland, MTN News.